In a circular permutation, these 4 arrangements are considered one arrangement. If you will notice, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you rotate that one, it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. You rotate this again, it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. You rotate this one again, it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. This is just one arrangement. For example, this is U. 2 is always to the left of U, and 4 is always to the right of U, and 3 will always be across U. So if you check all the other 3 arrangements, it's the same. So this is considered one arrangement. Let's take an example and compute manually how many possible arrangements are there. How many possible arrangements can you seat 4 people in a circular table? So for example, this is U. So first arrangement will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will be one arrangement. Let's now try counterclockwise. So this becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is counterclockwise. This is another arrangement. Or in short, we swap these 2 around. Now, from this, let's swap 2 and 3. So this becomes 3 and 2. So this is another arrangement. So this is U. So 1, 4, 2, 3. And then we swap this, make it counterclockwise. 1, 4, 2, 3. This is another arrangement. Again, we swap this one again. So this one becomes 4. This one is 2. So it becomes 1, 3, 4, 2. And then if we do the counterclockwise, it becomes 1, 3, 4, 2. Now, in total, there are 6 arrangements. But we have a shortcut. We use the formula Pn is equal to n minus 1 factorial. So applying this formula in this example, we have P4 is equal to 4 minus 1 factorial, or 3 factorial, or 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 6, which is the same number as we had computed. Now, if you consider counterclockwise the same as clockwise, so these 3 will not be considered. We only consider this. So we just divide this by 2. So the number of arrangements will become 3 if you consider clockwise the same arrangement as clockwise. Here's an example. How many possible arrangements can you seat 7 people in a circular table? Let us use the formula P. There are 7 people. P7 will be 7 minus 1 factorial. So that's 6 factorial. So this becomes 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. If you multiply all of that, it is 720. Now, if you consider counterclockwise and clockwise as one arrangement, this becomes half, or 360. That's it.